मैंने इसलिए फ़ोन किया था कि ये जो स्टैंड है ना, ये स्टैंड गिर गया मेरे से गलती से। एंड इसके 2 स्क्रू तो है, तीसरा स्क्रू लगा हुआ है, इसका नीचे का ये भी है। तो तुम प्लीज़ अपने वो फ़ोन वाले को बोल दो आके ठीक कर दे। सॉरी।
सैफ, आपने सुना होगा कि
जी हाँ।
पाई हुई चोर उनके घर में घुस गए, उनको चाकू भी लगा, हॉस्पिटलाइज है, हालांकि उनको अभी वो स्टेबल हैं। तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जिस तरह से रॉबरी या फिर एक्टर के साथ में, आप भी एक एक्टर हैं, जिस तरह हाथापाई हो रही है, एंड अभी तो मान लीजिए सैफ जी ठीक ठाक हैं, हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हैं।
जी अभी मैंने अभी पढ़ा कि अभी वो फाइनली ठीक हो गए हैं, बट इट इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट। कितना ज़्यादा देखभाल करना पड़ता है। अभी आप खुद ही सोचिए, डाकू महाराज की 105 करोड़ की सक्सेस के बाद माय मदर, इन्होंने मुझे गिफ्ट की डायमंड स्टडेड रोलेक्स, एंड माय फादर ने मुझे ये मेरे हाथ में पहनी हुई छोटी सी मिनी वॉच गिफ्ट करी। ये हाँ, इट इज़ लाइक अ गिफ्ट। लाइक अभी 105 हमने पार कर दिया है, तो इट इज़ जस्ट अ गिफ्ट। बट देन हम कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं फील करेंगे बाहर ओपनली या कुछ भी। वी कैन नॉट वेयर कुछ भी, लाइक यू नो, एक तरीके से एक इनसिक्योरिटी हो जाती है कि कोई भी एनीबडी कैन अटैक अस। वो तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा अनफॉर्चुनेट है जो वो हुआ।
सैफ और उनकी फैमिली को कुछ आप गुड विशेस देंगे कि जल्दी ठीक हो जाए, जल्दी रिकवर हो
जी
जाए?
हाँ, बिल्कुल यस, बिल्कुल मैं ये दूंगी, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा अनफॉर्चुनेट है, एंड ऑल माई प्रेयर्स आर विद देम।
आज ही जो खबर आई,
Urvashi Rautela. I think she has some setting with some IT cell, because I'm very shocked at her, I don't know, moral fiber, or I'm shocked at her basic common sense. First of all, she's dancing with some guy who is supposed to be a South superstar, but his fitness level and his body language is worse than that of a Bhojpuri actor. And Bhojpuri actors are working on their fitness, so it's not as if I look down upon them. It's just that there's so much of competition that you would not really want to work opposite an actor or a star who's not fit. You know, as an actor myself. So Urvashi somehow figures out and gets a hit song, which is great. I don't know how she figured out and got those likes and views. I have no idea, okay? But she must be having some good setting, because a lot of people are influencers and they have this setting of likes and views, and they do well for themselves based on those likes and views. Now that's also an art. I really appreciate those people who are able to get that for themselves, because not everybody can get that, you know. People are stuck at 1.7 million when the likes should be constantly increasing and the followers should be constantly increasing, but then they are stuck at 1.7 million, as if it's like a, you know, ghadi ki sui atki hui hai. But making such an insensitive comment, somebody is in the hospital, somebody has been injured, stabbed, and you are talking about your diamonds. Excuse me, who would in any rationality talk like that? But then that's the way women are who work in Bollywood. Now Urvashi Rautela is more dumb, or is dumb, as compared to an Alia Bhatt, because Alia Bhatt was asked a GK question. She was not asked a question on humanity and sensitivity. She has that because she gave flowers to Kangana even though she was abusing her. So she has her basic moral fiber sorted. But Urvashi came across as dumb, not in a GQ question, but she came across as dumb in a basic human sensitivity question. So I have no idea how she gets her followers, views and likes. Maybe, you know, there are people who work for her and they work for the same political parties, IT cell. We don't know the common ground. But whatever the common ground be, it's just so shocking that these people are considered to be role models, icons, inspirations in our country, and they go to Dubai and all these places. Icons, role models, shocking.